A lead lands on my website, AI checks if they're worth my time, and if they pass, a voice AI agent runs a full discovery call. The transcript gets turned into a proposal, I review it, click send, and a branded PDF proposal lands directly in their inbox. I've built production voice AI agents handling sales calls for many clients, and now I've built one for myself. And let me be honest, this is not a demo or a tutorial project. This is a real system in production right now that you can go and use from my website. I've used this to close real clients, and you'll be surprised about how much it actually costs to run. So let's jump right in and show you how it works. If you run an agency, a consultancy, or a service business, you must have a very similar pipeline for the sales process that might look similar to this. So a lead lands on your website, you capture their emails, they might schedule a call via Calendly or Cal.com to basically jump on a discovery call. In between these 2 points, send out follow-up emails, nurturing the lead, making sure they actually turn up to the discovery call. Once you're on a call, you ask a bunch of questions to understand their pain points, and you take all of this information to write up a proposal. And if you're running any custom offers, this usually takes around 2 to 3 hours because you have to scope out the full work, all of the different phases, the implementation plan, the timeline, the budget. So this usually takes some time, right? We go ahead and send out the PDF, and then we wait. Whether we send it out via email and we wait for the customer to respond, whether we jump on another call to go over their proposal and close them on that call, that part doesn't really matter. The main part is I want you to focus on is how much time we're actually spending, how many people actually go through this pipeline. And as a founder, you're given the same amount of time for every person that goes through this pipeline, whether it's $500 client or a 50,000 client, which is really not ideal. And probably 80% of the people that go through this aren't actually willing to pay. They're just tire kickers. So how do we fix this? So what I've built is a AI sales pipeline system that consists of 6 different stages. So the first part is when we do the lead capture and someone fills out the form on our website, what we do is get an AI to actually check if their company is legit. So this goes through a qualification step where a custom AI agent that knows everything about our business, everything about the office that we do, and the kind of clients that we want to work with, scores the lead from 0 to 10, right? And this usually takes about 45 seconds. So we use Apify and Claude to basically scrape the company website, do some searches around who this person is, and if it matches the kind of information that's submitted in the form. And this usually saves around 10 to 20 minutes of manual searching around, checking who this person is, what they do, if I was to do this manually. Once the qualification check passes, then we allow the lead to speak to our voice AI agent. So how this works is we have a web-based voice AI agent that basically runs a full 10-minute sales call. So this is again fine-tuned on everything about the business, the kind of office we do, kind of clients we've worked with, the different case studies that we did in the past, and is very personalized to that lead because we have all of the information from the qualification step. So it actually greets them by name and basically asks them a bunch of questions to get as much information from them as possible within that 10 minutes. Here the stack is LiveKit and Google Gemini 3.1. So once we have a transcript of the discovery call, we generate the proposal PDF file. So the transcript gets turned into structured JSON, and I'll show you how that looks like in my AgenixOS dashboard in just a second, because what we want to do is, like I always mentioned in my previous video, AI does really well for up to 80%. We still need a human in the loop to review and make sure the content is correct. So what we don't want to do is give the agent full capability to create the whole PDF from scratch every time. So this is not like the Gamma slide deck that uses AI to generate proposals. This is a very structured PDF that is on brand, and it has all of the different sections that we want every proposal to have. So this is why we transcribe it into a structured JSON, and I've built a custom backend app to basically take that and generate the PDF, which works via an API call. We send the transcript and it returns the structured JSON. I then get a notification on my Telegram that could look something like this. So new discovery call logged. I got the name of the person, their email, and then I'm able to click edit and generate the PDF, which takes me to my dashboard where I review the PDF and then I make sure I tweak all of the things that I need tweaking, the pricing, the timeline, whatever that needs to be tweaked. And usually it's very minimal work. It's like 10 minutes worth of time. We use my AgenixOS dashboard, we tweak and approve, and then we can send it directly to the client. So branded PDF straight into the client's inbox. That's using N8N in the backend to orchestrate the sending a Gmail. So AI handles every touch, and the founder only just signs off the workflow. Honestly, has been running and has been refined over many months. So we started off with just just the qualification stage. We have the proposal drafting application that I built, human in the loop, the sending of PDF, and then came the voice agent. So there's been a lot of iterations and tweaks to get it to a point where it's actually now working fully autonomously up to the human review stage, and it's working really well. So let's imagine a lead lands on my website, and right at the top here, I have try our AI discovery call. Takes them to this next page. They go ahead and enter all of their details, full name, email, company, website, LinkedIn, and then kind of budget range to work with. And then they start that call. I'm just going to fill this out for a founder for Unsloth AI. So let's pretend Daniel Han from Unsloth AI is applying to jump on a AI discovery call. I just filled out his information, which is all publicly available, and I'll go ahead and start the discovery call. So this usually takes around 2 to 3 minutes, and so I'm just going to let this run and we will come back once it jumps on a call. All right, so past the qualification step, and now we get to speak to an agent.
Hi, Daniel. Thanks so much for taking the time. I'm Aria from Agenix AI, and we build production AI systems for businesses. I'd love to understand what you're working on at Unsloth and see if there's a fit. Sound good?
That sounds amazing. What do you need from me?
Great. To kick things off, can you tell me a bit about what Unsloth does and who your customers are? Also, what's the specific problem you're trying to solve with AI?
So it will just go ahead and ask all of the different questions, and I'm going to go and answer everything and show you what the output of this looks like. Right, so the call just finished and I get notification, Telegram, logged, and in the backend, this is what I use for all of the different actions within the website, whether it's the contact form, job application, lead qualification. So this is what the agent runs through when it qualifies the leads. And then we get the discovery call session completed, and we update the logs and send the Telegram notification. So how this looks like from the other end, I get a link. Once I click that link, it takes me to this Agenix OS dashboard, which has a bunch of things that I use to run the company. But the main thing we want to focus on is the proposal editor that takes the output from the custom app that I've built, that takes the transcript, and that produces the structured proposal here. So we've got the title, the total investment, project duration, some client information, investment, pricing, and all of the sections that you would expect a proposal to have. And the good part is I'm able to go ahead and edit every single thing, make sure everything is actually making sense, and I can add items, remove items, add whole new sections to the proposal without having to manually, configure and mess around with PDF template, or on the other spectrum, having AI to generate everything from scratch. So it's a balance between using AI but also getting structured outputs. And this is the key. We want to be able to have some structure to our generated proposal. And I found this method to be working very beautifully. So once I'm happy and I've edited all of the things I needed to do, this again usually takes around 10 minutes. I go ahead and generate the PDF, right? So because I've done this in the past already, you're able to actually go ahead and see the output already. And this is what we get. So we have a branded, nicely presented PDF of the proposal of everything that we've captured. So you have the logo, the title, who it is prepared for, time and dates and everything, executive summary, requirements, and all of the sections that we need, the presentation plan, the investment budget, ROI. And once I'm happy with the final look, making sure everything looks good, I can just go ahead and send it to the customer. So usually this will be the customer's email. So for the purpose of testing, I'm using my email here, and you can see that I've already sent this previously while I was testing this back in April. You can see how long, I had the system, and it has been working super well. And we actually did close a client via this. So when it comes to the running cost of the system, as you can see, a traditional system of a sales rep, whether it's paying per month or per call or proposal, you're going to get somewhere around the value of $300 to $500 per lead, right? So this system, the qualification step with all the scraping, around 15 cents. The voice call is around 10 cents. And for the proposal generation is 10 cents. So for the full pipeline, we only need around 35 cents per lead, which is 1,000 times cheaper. So this is a massive money saving system. So you can start to see the power of this. So this isn't just for AI agencies. If you're a consultant, a development shop, a creative agency, a freelancer, you can use this and it works. So essentially, if you create custom proposals, you can build something like this this, and it'll save you a bunch of hours. And you don't even need to go to the full depth of this complete system. You can just start off with the qualification step, a automation AI lead qualification, and that alone will save you a lot of time and will improve and increase your conversion. And that can be done in a weekend, right? So this hopefully gives you an idea of what AI looks like in a real production system. And if you need some further help, I have built a free blueprint that goes over all the steps, all the different tools to use and the cost and the complete breakdown of the system. And you can find it in the community in a link below. So go ahead, sign up, it's completely free and you'll be able to get access. So with that being said, I'm back to doing YouTube a lot more regular. I was focused more on the agency side of things, but now I'm at a good place to pump out a few more videos. So make sure you hit that subscribe button for real production AI systems. Until next time, I'll see you soon.